the part 1 of my um, orientation or explanation po about sa ating policy. So here we call it TMO or Moon Baby Agency, but my room, it says here, the room po, yung pangalan ng room ko is Enchantress. Let me share it to you guys here. Ito po yung room ko, which is the one that I'm handling. Okay, so as you can see, the name is Enchantress and this is the logo. If in case you try to look for it, it's 200-514-433. That's the room ID. So I am your agent, Cassie. This is my ID and my account here in Patty. So I will be explaining to you how you're going to earn in the app and how you're going to monitor it. Tsaka ano yung mga dapat mong laging tandaan when it comes to earning in the app. So let's go. So currently, ito yung aming policy. We are a app agency, meaning po hindi po kami yung private agency na mayroong lang may handle sa inyo or manager talaga. Ang nag-handle ng ating agency is yung mismong app po. So meaning, yung nagpapasahod sa atin, direkta po kay direkta si admin or si owner ng application magpasahod sa atin. So, weekly ang sahod natin dito every Tuesday or Wednesday. And you can have it cash out through your PayPal, GCash, bank, as well as Payoneer. So, please disregard USDT, hindi na po kasi siya available. So, ang cutoff natin is every Monday at 12 midnight to Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So, whatever you earn po during those time, from Monday to Sunday before midnight, yun po yung sasahurin nyo ng Tuesday and Wednesday. So, just to explain, explain lang muna natin dito sa first part po natin yung ating earnings. So, ang minimum na earning po natin is 500 charm income. 500 charm income basta maka 12 hours ka in 1 week, makukuha mo ng buo yung $4. Please note na ang requirements na lang namin dito is hours. Huwag nyo na pong pansin itong valid chat, broker, and user growth. Pero if in case na ma-miss out mo yung 12 hours in 1 week from Monday to Sunday, meron tayong 10% na deduction, failure to complete your 12 hours na mic hours. Itong mic hours na ito, 24 hours naman bukas ang aking room, broadcasting room po natin. So, pwede po kayo mag-visit doon at doon kayo mag-stay in para sa 12 hours na mic hours. So, no need to open your mic if you are not able to speak. Make it sure not lagi siya naka-turn off. We have DJs or MC na lagi nagpi-play 24 hours a day. So, ito yung ating target po. So, you can earn from $4 up to $7,000 in 1 week. Hindi ko naman masasabi na achievable po itong $7,000 na ito, pero hindi ko rin naman masasabi po na hindi siya achievable because we have hosts who are able to reach at least 2005 na charm income. So, which is they earn at least $1,157. So, that's in peso po, mga around 50 to 60,000 na siya ngayon. Okay? So, now, just to let you know guys, you will be able to earn based po sa gift na marireceive ninyo from user. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan nyo po dito na ma-convince si user na masendang kayo ng gift. I know for a fact na may mga hosting app po na may tasking lang, yung iba naman live. But dito po, since we are audio broadcasting app, audio lang siya, so it's up to you if you're going to use your profile. Kung ang habol mo po, kung ang iyo pong gagawin is gagamit ka ng fake profile, that's fine. As long as kaya mo siyang i-cover up kay user. Kung gusto mong gamitin yung sarili profile, that's fine din po. Okay, so we have different ways of earning here, but let me just explain this. So, ang weekly earning natin is from 500 charm income. So, magpa-follow po siya as follows. As you can see, I always send it to the GC every week before the end of the week. Or kahit i-request nyo sa akin, pwede naman. Okay? So, now, we go here po. So, we have new user growth. So, I'm gonna discuss that later. But gusto ko lang magpunta muna dito before we end the first part. So, we have new user growth and basis niya is kapag may broker ka. Ang broker po is first time user na gumamit ng ating app at first time niya nag-top up. Tapos 50% ng tinop up niya napunta sa'yo. So, ngayon po, kapag nagkaroon kayo ng broker and nagkataon po in 1 week, you're able to get at least 3 broker na nag-send sa iyo at least 500 diamonds. Diamonds siya, hindi siya charms. So, I'm gonna explain the difference of the diamonds and the charms later. But for now, let me just explain this. Broker is, yung 500 diamonds po, kailangan ma-send sa iyo ng at least 3 broker mo. Sa 3 broker na ito, pag nagawa po ninyong makapag-send sa inyo ng 500 diamonds, meron kayong additional $10 sa inyong income. And then kung 4, 15, kung 5, 20. Okay? So now, ayan po yung additional bonus na magiging on top ng earning ninyo. So, ibig sabihin, dito pa lang po sa 3 broker, meron na kayong makukuha na 1,500 na na diamonds. Pero explain ko sa inyo kasi hindi pa yan. Totally nasa income nyo yan. Later explain ko yan in the next video. So now, ang susunod po is yung ating charm income. Yung ating valid chat, sorry. So, valid chat po natin is, ito po yung 5 times ka na nakipagpalitan ka ng message kay new user, bagong user. Makikita nyo po nakalagay sa kanila, new user. Let me show you what are the new user. Ito, nakalagay newbie. Ito po yung mga yan, newbie sila. Sila yung mga pwede mong targetin to get the the valid chat subsidy. So, pag may nakita kayong L1, L2, L3, and so on, mga new user pa yan or newbies pa po natin yan. Normally, dito sa newbie rank natin makukuha yung mga user na pwede nyo maging broker. Kasi itong rich user na ito, pag meron na silang level po sa tabi ng name nila, sa baba ng name nila, ibig sabihin nakapag-top up na ito at nakapag-spend na sa app. So, ibig sabihin broker na sila ng ibang user. So now, if in any case that you reach 500 charm income or 2,000 charm income as a newbie, within your first 8 weeks, qualified ka makakuha ng $4 and $8 na additional income. Given na nakapag-send ka ng 200 messages sa user po, sa mga user, sa mga newbies, dito sa ating new user list. Send messages pa lang yan, pero out of 200 to 500 na send messages, kailangan meron kang 25 valid chats kung ang na-reach mo lang is below 2,000. So, 500 charm income ang minimum. Kailangan may valid chat ka na 25. Kapag 2,000 naman ang earnings mo pataas, kailangan 40 valid chat. So, makakakuha ka ng either $4 or $8. So, kailangan mo lang ma-reach itong dalawang ito kapag na-reach mo na yung earning requirements. Madali lang naman po yan as long as na sumasagot kayo sa mga messages dito. Or, nagsasend kayo ng mass greetings. As you can see here, magsaset up lang kayo ng mass greetings here. As you can see, tinap ko lang yung send mass greetings, di ba? Wait, ayaw ayan. Send mass greetings. Then, i-edit nyo lang ito dito. Ayan, nasa baba siya, new messages. And then, pwede na kayo mag-send ng up to 15 user po ang pwede nyo sendan ng mass greetings nyo dito. Okay? So, tap-tap nyo lang ito. Up to 15 naman po siya. Let's see kung may sasagot. So, makikita nyo naman kung online sila kapag may green. So, pwede nyo sendan ng sendan kahit naka-offline para lang dun sa send messages ninyo, guys. Ayan, nakaka 13 na ako, 14, and then 15. Send natin. There you go. So, okay. So, as you can see, nakapag-send na ako. So, kung gusto ko pa ulit mag-send ng 15 messages ulit, hindi pa pwede muna. Kasi kailangan magko-cool down siya ng 3 minutes. Every 3 minutes ang pagma-mass greetings. So, now, going back po, again, makikita nyo siya sa may host center ninyo, host center, and then sa new user list. Diyan po tayo pwedeng mag-send ng mass greetings at kumuha ng mga user na pwede mong sendan ng message para po ma-reach nyo yung target sa ating new valid chat po. So, ang valid chat naman, explain ko sa inyo kung ano. Ang valid chat po is pagpapalitan nyo ng message ni user. So, kapag kunwari katulad po nito, new user lang ito or newbie lang na tinatawag, gusto ko makipag-chat sa kanya. So, magsasend ako ng message. Pag sumagot siya, first round na po yun. So, para ma-consider siya as valid chat, wait, hold on, hanap na tayo dito. Ayan. So, pag nag-send ka ng message kay new user, sumagot siya, first round yon. Pag sumagot ka ulit at sumagot siya, second round po yon. So, kailangan po palitan yung message ninyo like this. Ayan. So, kunwari, sumagot ka. So, kahit gaano kadami yung message mo after ng sagot niya, kung wala siyang sagot sa'yo, hindi po uusad yung round ng message nyo. Kailangan 5 beses na sagutan ninyo. Continuous na chat message ninyo within the day. Kapag po naputol yan, nag-following day na at hindi pa rin kayo natatapos sa nag-following day na, for example, naka-4 na return message kayo sa isa't isa, tapos yung pang-5 mo nag-follow the next day na, hindi siya qualify as valid chat. So, kailangan within the day siya. Okay? So, now, ayan, so ngayon, ito lang muna yung first part natin. We're going to do the next part in a bit.